Hamza, I am seriously frustrated with English today. It is just one small verb, but it confuses me every time.
Whoa, wait. What happened? Which verb is it that's bothering you so much?
The verb is make. And I understand make on its own. That part's easy. But then people add little words to it. And suddenly I hear make up, make out, make it, make do.
Ah, you mean phrasal verbs. I know exactly how you feel. Suddenly, make doesn't mean make anymore, and the whole meaning shifts depending on the little word after it.
Exactly. It's so confusing for me.
Don't worry, Emma, this happens to everyone. But today, we're going to fix that. By the end of this, you'll be an expert.
I really hope so. But first, we need a quick favor from our listeners.
Yes, if you want to master English verbs like this, make sure to subscribe to English Horizon and like this video right now. It really helps us make more lessons.
Totally. Thanks for your support, everyone.
All right, let's get back to the lesson. Ready to solve the mystery of make?
Yes, but wait a second. Are we going to study a lot of grammar today?
No, not at all. No complicated grammar rules and no boring dictionary definitions either.
Wow. Then what are we doing?
We're going to imagine. Every one of these expressions has a hidden picture behind it, and once you see the picture, the phrase makes sense forever.
Oh, wow. That sounds interesting. Okay, I'm ready.
Today, I want you to remember one golden rule. Don't memorize the words. Understand the movement.
Don't memorize the words. Understand the movement. Okay, I've got it. So make is the base word, and then one small word after it changes its direction?
Exactly. Those little words are actually directions. They literally show you where the action goes.
So these little words change everything?
Absolutely. They change the entire meaning. Let's start with the base word itself and discover what it really means.
Okay, how do we do that?
Emma, can you make me a coffee?
Oh, sure. Give me a second.
Perfect. What just happened? Imagine nothing was there before, an empty cup, and then you make it, something new appears from nothing.
Oh, I see the picture now. So make means creating something new, bringing something into existence.
Exactly. The direction is always from nothing to something. Let's look at some real daily conversations, very natural spoken English.
Give me some examples.
I made dinner last night. I created a meal from ingredients. She makes a lot of money. She creates income through her work. They made a decision. A decision appeared where there was none before.
And even he made a mistake. A mistake was created even by accident.
Boom, you nailed it. Make equals create or produce something.
Okay, I totally understand make now. Ready for the next step?
Definitely. Let's add our first small word. What about makeup?
Oh boy, this one confuses me a lot.
Close your eyes and imagine this. Two friends had a big argument and stopped talking for a few days. Then one day they sit down and talk, and they build the friendship back up, piece by piece.
Ah, they make up. So the pieces come together again, upward.
Exactly. Up means building something back to whole. Make up means to resolve a conflict and reconcile. We had a fight, but we made up.
That's so logical. But wait, is there another meaning?
There is. And the picture connects. Now imagine a blank face, completely bare, like an empty canvas. You add color, add lines, build a new look. That's makeup, cosmetics. So what does she do in the morning?
She makes up her face. She builds a look from nothing, up and complete.
Boom, you got it. Makeup means to apply cosmetics or build a look. The picture is the same as the friendship, building something up from a blank state.
That's mind-blowing. Is there a third meaning?
There is. Listen to this. He made up an excuse for being late. What do you think that means?
Well, if it's built from nothing, it means he invented it. It wasn't true.
Exactly. He built a story that didn't exist before. Make up can mean to invent or fabricate. A child breaks a vase and tells mom a ghost did it. The child made up a story.
Oh my gosh, that's a classic makeup. So makeup is either reconcile, apply cosmetics, or invent, always building something from nothing or broken pieces.
Exactly right. What's next on our list?
We just learned about building things up. So next, we need to talk about make out.
Make out. This one is always tricky for me.
Don't worry, the visual trick works here too. Imagine you're far away, looking at a sign. It's blurry, so you squint your eyes hard, trying to see clearly, and slowly the meaning becomes clear to you.
Ah, I make out the words. So it's about understanding something unclear.
Exactly. Out here means bringing clarity from confusion. Make out means to see, hear, or understand with difficulty. I couldn't make out his handwriting, or I couldn't make out what she was saying.
That's so logical. But wait, there's more, isn't there?
There is. Now imagine two people, very close. Romantically, they kiss passionately in a movie scene.
They're making out.
Boom, you got it. Make out here means to kiss passionately. Very casual, informal English. And there's a business meaning too. How did the deal make out?
Wait, a deal can make out too? If it's about outcome, it means how did it turn out or succeed?
Exactly. Make out here means to fare or manage. So, how did you make out on the exam? So, make out is understand, kiss, or how something turns out.
Indeed, one word with 3 different lives. What's next?
We've covered emotional and blurry pictures. Next, we need to talk about make it.
Make it. I hear this constantly.
Imagine there's a train leaving in 2 minutes. You're sprinting through the station, bag bouncing, heart racing. The doors are closing, and you jump through right before they shut.
I made it. So make it means to succeed or arrive in time.
Spot on. You reached the goal just barely or fully. I made it to the meeting on time. We made it home before the storm.
That's so clear. Is there more?
Yes, this picture stretches a little further. Imagine someone starting with nothing. No money, no fame. Years pass, they work incredibly hard, and their music becomes famous worldwide.
She made it big. So make it can also mean to achieve success in life.
Exactly. Reaching the goal of success itself, the same picture, just a bigger finish line. And there's an invitation meaning too. Can you make it to the party tonight?
Wait, that sounds like attendance. It means, will you be able to come?
Spot on. Make it here means to be able to attend. So you could say, I'm sorry, I can't make it tonight.
I love this. What's next on our list?
This last one is incredibly important for daily conversation, especially about limited resources. It's make do.
Oh, make do. What does that mean?
Imagine you're camping and you forgot your pillow. You roll up a jacket and use that instead. You don't have the perfect thing, but you use what you have.
I'll make do with this jacket.
Boom, you got it. Make do means to manage with limited or imperfect resources. You accept what's available and use it well. We didn't have enough chairs, so we made do with boxes. I don't have a car, I'll make do with the bus.
This is so useful for real life. Ready for the final comparison?
Yes. We made up after the fight, reconciling, building the relationship back up. We made do with what we had at the party, managing with limited resources. No complaints. See how different the pictures are even though both use make.
Completely different. This is a mistake many students make, but not us. The visual trick really works. Let's prove it. Welcome to the Error Lab.
Uh-oh, the error lab. Okay, let me try one. I couldn't make up his handwriting at all.
Nope. Buzzer sound. Think about the movement. Which word means clarity?
Oh, right. Out means pulling meaning from confusion. So the correct phrase is, I couldn't make out his handwriting.
Excellent. Let's try another. You want to say you'll try to attend an event. I'll make up to the party. Is that right?
Wait, that doesn't sound right at all. Oh, I should say I'll make it to the party.
Exactly. One little word changes the whole story. English is full of these tricky moments. Now I want to hear a real conversation. Let's act it out. No explaining, just natural speaking.
I'll be the roommate. Action. Hamza, did you and Sarah finally make up?
Yeah, we talked last night. Everything's fine now.
That's great. Are you going to her party Friday?
I'll try to make it, but I'm swamped with work.
If you can't come, we'll make do without you. And by the way, I couldn't make out your text last night.
Ha, thanks for the confidence. Sorry, my phone auto-corrected everything wrong.
And cut. That was awesome. You used all of them perfectly, and it felt completely natural.
Because you finally understood the movement, not translating a single word in your head. That's the ultimate goal.
I need a quick memory trick to keep this forever.
Okay, rapid fire. Just answer with the core meaning. Make,
Create something from nothing.
make up,
Reconcile, apply cosmetics, or invent a story.
make out,
Understand with difficulty, kiss, or fair in an outcome.
make it,
Arrive successfully, achieve success, or be able to attend.
make do.
Manage with what's available.
Boom! You're a master of the make family. One verb, so many completely different meanings, and you don't have to memorize them anymore.
No, I can literally see them in my head now.
Let's give our listeners a quick challenge. I'll say a situation. You guess the phrase, everyone. Two friends resolve their argument.
Make up,
You finally understand a blurry sign.
make out.
You arrive at the station just in time.
Make it,
You have no proper tools, but you manage.
make do.
Last one, you invent a story that isn't true.
Make up. Excellent work today. Hamza,
Thank you, Emma. This was an amazing lesson. Now it's time for our listeners to take action. We have homework for you guys. But it's fun, I promise.
write one sentence for each phrase down in the comments below. One with make, one with make up, one with make out, one with make it, and one with make do.
And please, don't just write them in the comments. Use them in real life this week. Speak them out loud.
Because the goal isn't just to know more English, it's to use English naturally.
Thank you guys so much for listening. If this visual trick helped you understand, please subscribe to English Horizon right now and hit that like button.
It helps us create more free lessons for you. Take care, everyone, and keep practicing. Goodbye.
Bye. See you in the next lesson.